Hello Hunnies, happy Saturday. So yeah guys, my name is Zandi and ngithatha isinqumo sokuthatha ama videos. I'm trying something new. Ngiyasaba but yeah, let's see ukuthi kuze ngibeka kuphi. Right now ngise-Palito, we're going to the beach because it's hot. I'm sure you can tell by my face I'm sweating. Yeah, I'm with my kids and my husband. Right now, siyothenga into soyidla, so come with me.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend, this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore.
Lange come, baby.
You introduce yourself, Clover Merchandiser, to the Dairy Cabinets Clover Merchandiser.
He told me to wait, mom.
The station. Wait. There's someone else.
What is
Let's go.
We're leaving you, come. Let me see. Let me see. Not today, okay? Let's go to the beach, then we'll come back and buy it. Okay? Let's go to the beach first. Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow.
touch, so soft, where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide.
Hey. Hi. It's a video, it's not a picture. Okay, you can go. This is what I ended up with. Cheers. Okay guys, so we're on our way to Ekunubia, Siya Macro, to check for a dining table. Then maybe after we'll go for like lunch because it's Samaningani. Yeah, so let's go.
savelele.
So yeah, I just came back. It's 6:30. Unfortunately, I didn't get to eat dining table. But we ended up took the kids for lunch, which we went to the Funny Factory. The place was so nice. It's very accommodating, especially Enganeni, because they got this big jungle gym and kunabantu that can watch over your child while you're busy eating. Like my kids had a lot of fun. Even this boy, they were talking about it, like it was so nice to end up like his chilele, like got time like with sisixoxe and just like chill with my hubby and Inganzami were playing, like they were all over the place. It's so nice, guys. They even got like esports, like some music where the kids can like dance and do all those kind of things. It's a nice place. If you want to try it, like just go to Kunuba Mall and try the Funny Factory. It's fun. So yeah, right now I'm back. I'm not even going to cook because like I don't think konomodolambile, but we got like a takeaway. So if kukono zizwa segwehla, they can just go and help themselves. So right now I'm just gonna go chill with my hubby and watch soccer. That's all. Hello, Hunnies. Good morning. Happy Monday. Oh my gosh. I'm on my way going to work and I'm feeling so down because there's this work weekend and I didn't finish it, but ngizi pushile guys, yo, like ngikhathele and nje ukungawuqedi like kungenza ngifeel so down, but ke let's see ukuthi usuku lami luzohamba kanjani. Maybe by the end of it ngizobe sengizizwa kangcono because right now nje I'm feeling like hell, honestly. So yeah, I'm with my kids, TT and my boy Olanga. They're going to school. So yeah, let's see what Monday is pattern. Love you.
From 9570 a month, wherever you're going, we're with you. Visit your Nissan dealer for a test drive on nissan.co.za for more. Offered through Nissan Finance, a product of West Bank, a division of West Bank Limited, an authorized financial services and credit provider. T's and C's apply. Nissan, defy ordinary. Stuff.
Good morning.
When I wanted to cut it, it was raw.
Oh,
Sorry, thank you.
Jackson Kimber. Wait for ice.
He's eating sweets in the morning.
Jackson, yeah. Let's go. Walk, please. Is that your breakfast? The sour ones. Jackson.
No, it's not breakfast. I need to cough every time. I need to cough like that.
Yes, you need to drop Langa.
And the pineapple looks at him.
Mommy, would you ask me this for long cheese?
I'll fix it later. Please. Excuse me, can I have my kiss? Can I have my kiss? I love you. Have a good day. Bye, my love. Morning.